Do you have a student from Spain in your life? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to register a student from Spain at school with the goal of creating win-win. Win for the student, win for the school, and win for you, whether you are the wonderful coordinator or the amazing host family. So if you've got a student from Spain in your life, this video is for you. My name is Brenda Padilla Erickson. I've helped hundreds of kids from Spain register successfully at school so that they could validate their studies when they return to Spain. That means they get credit for the year and they don't need to repeat. So the good news is precisely this, that these kids can get credit and that motivates them to take school really seriously, which is great for this program. The other news is that because they have to meet certain requirements, they can get a little nervous when it comes time to register at school. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can help. First of all, your student from Spain will want to register in the right grade. So what is the right grade? Ideally, they want to be in the same grade that they would be taking back in Spain. So that means that 10th graders from Spain want to be in 10th grade, 11th graders in 11th, and 12th in 12th. But for a variety of reasons, it's not always possible for schools to accommodate this request. First of all, reassure the student that many students over the years from Spain have been placed in a higher grade level, for example, a 10th grader in 11th grade, and their agencies have worked out a solution and they've been able to validate the year perfectly well. Then the next step is to contact your local coordinator to find out exactly how to handle this situation. A very important point here is that ICES supports schools, their policies, their decisions. Students are not allowed to pressure schools for anything. We must remember that the future of this program depends to a large extent on our wonderful schools, so we have to take really good care of them. So the next part of validation involves choosing classes. Students from Spain need to choose specific classes that meet Spain's validation requirements. There is a handout that goes with this video that explains this and shows you the list of classes that are accepted for credit in Spain. They're very easy to find at any high school in the United States. But here we have two more very important points. The first point being that students from Spain often get caught up in trying to find classes that are just like the ones they take back in Spain. And that's really frustrating because the school system in Spain is completely different from the school system in the United States. So that would just make validating or getting credit for their year abroad very complicated. So the second point is that the only thing that matters is that they get classes that are on Spain's list of courses that are eligible for credit in Spain. That's all that matters. Now, I hope this video helps you register your student from Spain at school without a hitch. If you have any questions, any concern, contact your local coordinator for more information. Hasta la vista.